Hey subscribers, what's up YouTube? Paul McKay here, One Voice Live. Tune your mind. Ooh. And guess what? In this video, we are all going to learn how riffs and runs are done. I'm just going to break it down so simply that anyone with a decent ear and a decent voice can understand riffs and runs. And I know it's frustrating because we're hearing these artists doing these intricate sequences of notes and they're doing them so quickly and it's amazing, right? How does Beyonce do all that? But trust me, once again, I've cracked the code on the riffs and runs, and we're all gonna learn how to do them. You just gotta sing with me real quick for this video to work, okay? But before you even sing with me, listen, understand, and apply what you know, okay? Now check it out. Here's the major scale. Here's the pentatonic scale, okay? Now, if you get the pentatonic scale, you can already riff and run. Trust me on this, okay? So look at the differences here. The pentatonic scale is the same as the major scale for do, re, and mi. You see that? After mi, nothing stays the same. So we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's the major scale. Then the pentatonic, do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Cool, eh? Now I'm gonna bring back a concept that I talked about in a previous popular video. The pentatonic triangle. Kind of a big deal, all right? It was meant to serve as a visual representation to help you understand how you could potentially use this pentatonic scale to sing riffs and runs, okay? So here it is. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. And dropping the numbers. Oh, 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 oh. We're going to add a bit of style to it now. Here it is. Oh, 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 oh. See that? So I've come up with a little jingle to help you to understand this. All right, you want to hear it? Here it goes.
About the pentatonic, remember this one thing:
ain't nothing the same after me. Do starts just like the major scale. Re, you'll find this note in bold. Mi, after me, there's no more similarity. So you skip the fa, that's how you know. La is the fifth and final note, and we'll resolve it back to do. Do, it starts just like a major scale. Re, you'll find this note in bold. Mi, after me, there's no more similarity. So you skip the fa, that's how you know. La is the fifth and final note, and we'll resolve it back to do. This is the soul scale. This is the soul scale. Yes, it is, 'cause nothing is the same after me. This is the soul scale. This is the soul scale, 'cause nothing is the same. Nothing is the same. I tell you tonight, nothing is the same after 1, 2, 3. Come on now, it ain't that hard. Say I got it, I got it. I understand. Oh, I got it. I got it. I understand. Yeah. Do you know what it is? Do you realize what this can do? Riffs and runs all day. Minor Now, the major takeaway from this song is that after me, you're getting rid of fa and ti. Do you hear what I'm saying? Okay? So listen, rewind and learn this song. I promise you it'll do you some good. It's a great way to learn the theory behind the pentatonic. And not only that, you get some practice on the pentatonic, okay? Now, I wrote that song to contrast this song. Do, a deer, a female deer, re, a drop of golden sun, mi, okay? Now, we know that song from The Sound of Music. It's designed to teach you the major scale. Well, the song that I just wrote teaches you the pentatonic scale. Now we're gonna look at the minor pentatonic scale, because even if you look at the soul scale song, the minor pentatonic is all up in there. You hear what I'm saying? So here it is with the pentatonic triangle. 6, 6, 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 6. Dropping the numbers, we'll use the ah vowel. Ah, 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 ah. We'll put a bit of style to it now. What do you say? So, ah, 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 ah. Cool. Now we're gonna slow this thing down and take it tier by tier. Now, I don't know what skill level you're at, whether you're a non-singer or a professional, but regardless, this will benefit you, okay? So here it is. Oh, oh. Now that's gonna be more comfortable for the gentleman. So gentlemen, you sing along to this. Ladies, I haven't forgotten you. We're gonna do your part right after this, okay? So here it is. Oh, oh. Go ahead and sing. Oh, oh. And then we have oh. Go ahead. Oh, come on, do it with some spunk. Oh, nice. Okay, then we have oh, go ahead. Oh, nice. Then we have oh, go ahead. Oh, nice. Okay, so oh, go ahead. Come on. Oh, we're gonna pick up the pace a little now. Come on. Oh, go ahead. Sing. Come on. Oh. All right, ladies, we're gonna take the octave. Okay. So here's your part. We have oh, oh. Let's hear it, ladies. Come on. Oh, oh. Nice. Then we have oh. Sing. Oh, good. Then you have oh, come on. Oh, nice. Oh, come on, sing. Oh, really good. Nice. Now we're gonna slow this thing down for the minor pentatonic. And the key should be comfortable for both males and females. It may be a little high for the men, but you just go ahead and do your best, okay? So here it is, using the ah vowel. Ah, ah, go ahead. Ah, ah, good. Now we'll try ah, go ahead. Ah, hear how I'm putting this little glissando here on this note? I'm not hitting it straight. I'm sort of doing like a ah. Do you want to try that real quick? Just go ahead. Ah. Let's do that again. 2, 3. Ah. All right. So we did ah. Cool. Now we'll continue. Ah. And every time I hit this note, ah, I'm doing that little glissando. I call it the gospel glissando. I'll talk a little bit more about that later, okay? Ah, ah, ah. You see that? Now I wonder if I went too fast for you. We'll try this again. I'm going to slow it down even more, okay? So here it is. Ah, ah, go ahead. Ah, ah, then ah, and ah, good. Then 2, 3, wait, and if you didn't get it, you can always go ahead and rewind and practice. Practice it again and again. This is the type of practice that it takes to get it. Commit yourself to the work, okay? It'll do you some good, I promise. It'll build character, and while you're building character, you can get some nasty riffs and runs in there, okay? Now let's talk about note separation. Making your riff sound cut and spliced so you can hear each individual note, okay? Up until this point, we've been singing a lot of scales and a lot of different notes, but if your notes don't sound nicely separated, are you really singing riffs and runs the way we understand riffs and runs? Well, yeah, you are, but they just sound sort of mush-mashy. You understand? So the first thing I'm going to tell you about note separation is you have to be deliberate about separating your notes, okay? It doesn't just happen. You got to do it, especially in the beginning stages. So you see this elastic right here? This is going to be a visual representation of what happens in your vocal cords, okay? So when we sing riffs and runs, we are moving from pitch to pitch, okay? But in between each movement, you're going to have a very brief slackening of the vocal cords. And this slackening is somewhat audible, all right? It creates that separation. So we have, if we were to use the pentatonic as an example, we have, I'm holding the pitch, and see how I did it slow? You don't have to do your riffs quick in order to have note separation, okay? You can do it slow and still separate your notes, okay? So, now you see what's going on there. Okay? It seems like I'm sort of forcing it, and it comes a little natural as you practice and you develop sort of the muscular system that's responsible for this slackening of the vocal cords, okay? So this is a nice little exercise that I came up with that should help you, okay? We're gonna stay on one note, all right? So this note, this is the, we're gonna use this. Okay, so it's gonna be, do you wanna try that real quick? Here it is, 1, 2, 3, and. Do you hear those brief little dips in the pitch? That's note separation, okay? That's pretty much it. So if you can get this, then you can move from note to note using the same kind of idea. Okay, then pick up the pace a little. See that? And again, and you get that? So just practice this. And you'll develop that skill, okay? It takes a bit of time. Now, there are other vocal traditions that have other methods and means of note separation, all right? We can talk about our opera friends, okay? Where a little more breath is involved to get some note separation. They're like, oh, you understand? It's like a breathing kind of note separation. So you have that? Interesting. That's not R&B though. We're trying to do R&B and pop and soul and gospel. So the way note separation works for us is that delicate kind of so practice that. Yeah. See that? So I have some homework assignments for you. You thought you were gonna get off scotch-free? Now listen, I want you to understand this. I wanna make sure you're getting it. Do you hear what I'm saying? Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take this pentatonic and we'll do 2 octaves of it as a homework assignment, okay? And then after that, you can make a video. It would be great if you made a video. You could submit them to me either right here on YouTube or on Instagram. So go ahead and add me to Instagram, PMckay1Voice, and make a video of yourself doing the homework challenge, okay? You can tag it PMckay Challenge, okay? So here it is. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Re, mi, sol, la, do. La, sol, mi, re, do. La, sol, mi, re, do. Re, mi, sol, la, do. Re, mi, sol, la, do. La, sol, mi, re, do. La, sol, mi, re, do. See that? Now we're going to drop the do, re, mi's. We have see that? We're going to speed it up now. You ready? Check it out. re, mi, so. Do, re, mi, so, la. Do, re, mi, so, la, do. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, so. Do, re, mi, so, la. Do, re, mi, so, la, do. Now, for this homework assignment, take note of what I did with mi. I put that glissando on it, as well as la, okay? Do, re, mi. See that? Do, re, mi, so. No glissando here. Do, re, mi, so, la. Do, re, mi, so, la, do. Okay? There it is. All right, everyone, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Now listen, I just want to see you guys achieve your vocal goals, man. That just brings joy to my heart. You understand? Okay, so go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more great content. You can like, share, all that great stuff. Comment under the video as well. I read the comments and I'd love to give you some feedback, okay? You can also follow me on Instagram, PMckay1Voice. Always doing amazing stuff on Instagram, having lives and just great times on Instagram, all right? So just go ahead and follow me. You can also visit my website, onevoicemusic.ca. I have a free crash course up there for you to go ahead and just get yourself started learning these riffs and runs. Y'all are gonna be some singing monsters. Do you hear what I'm saying? And I'm so happy to be a part of that journey, all right? Until next time, tune your mind. Ooh. Thank you so much.